All right, guys, here Mr. Mud is back for which is one of my favorite ones, part 8 of this lesson. And this is building 3 houses. So, first thing I want you guys to do is I want you to look at what we're building here. We're building houses. Hopefully, you've already built a square, a triangle, and then a house together. So, we don't need this. This is where I think they get you a little bit. You don't need your square function, and you don't need your triangle function, but you do need this house function. So, I'm going to bring this up here. Now, if we run this program, draw a house size 100, I'm going to run this. It's correct. We know that house is a size 100. But look where he ends. So my question to you is, you need to get this guy from here down to this corner here because he starts every corner of the house the same way, facing the same spot. So how do we get that? Well, he's facing he's not facing straight up and down. I believe he's facing a little bit towards the roof here. So we're going to put in a turn. Now, I'm not going to do this for you, but we're going to turn, and I'm not putting in the correct degrees. You may need to change that. Then we're going to move forward. Then we're going to turn right because we want to go down. And then we're going to move forward again. And I believe if I have all the right numbers, I'm going to be right here facing down. So I want to turn around. So I will give you this number. It's 180 because you're turning all the way around. If my numbers are right, I'm good to go. So now I'm ready to put in another draw a house function. Okay, but this time it's a little bit bigger. So I'm going to use a math. You need to figure that out. All right. Now, I got it. If you put in the right numbers, it's going to draw the house and stop right here. So what I've been telling students is, how am I supposed to get to the third house? Well, I got to do the same thing I did over here. The only problem is I only have 5 more blocks to do. So what you need to ask yourself is this: where am I going to put those remaining spaces, or where am I going to put these spaces? Okay. And remember the last time we talked about drawing a house at a length. So these are math. So look over here in our function. Any movement or drawing, make sure you put the variable of length so that it will read the numbers in the drawing of the house. So what you need to do, what you need to challenge yourself is, heck, I'll give you the answer, guys. It's going to be draw a house here, and it's going to be a number here. But you need to decide how this all looks, where these commands are going to go, these blue ones, and make sure if you use this function that all your movement and drawing is using the variable length, so it will read the numbers that you put for your drawing of the 3 houses. All right, good luck.